Welcome to my channel. In this channel I produce videos on advancing technologies for better knowledge and better living, scholarships and fellowships from different universities, governments of different countries and different organizations. And my third aspect is job vacancies in India and abroad. And I mainly focus on advancing technologies because every educated technocrat should update one's knowledge. That is my motto, and we have to adopt new technologies day by day. That is my prime goal. And the next thing is India is a very big country, the second biggest country. So I want to tell you about job vacancies. And the next thing is what are the fellowships, scholarships, and what are the cultural exchange programs like a BS, MS, PhD, and there are internship programs. Some of the programs are fully funded. You need to spend a very nominal amount. Being a father, I sent my children to the US. They did their masters and they are working there. Still they are striving to learn new technologies, though they are working. In the same manner, I love my profession as a professor. I have 30 years of experience. By the way, I am Professor Kodandaramaya. I am working in a university. I want to enlighten my students, not only my students, the students who are in India. That is my prime motto. Being youngsters, you should not be lazy to know about scholarships and fellowships, internships, and latest technologies, job vacancies. So keep on watching. At least you watch my video for 2 minutes. Definitely you know the content. At least know about the title of the video, and try to watch for 1 or 2 minutes, and subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to click the bell icon to get the latest videos. In the present video, I would like to talk about top machine learning salaries in India in February 2021. Machine learning. Look out for highly paid machine learning jobs in February 2021. Organizations, regardless of industry and size, nowadays are overwhelmed with an ever-growing amount of data. The data often is raw and unstructured but entails valuable insights. This is where machine learning has a role to play in analyzing such voluminous amounts of data and deriving meaningful information for business growth. Machine learning is one of the fascinating technologies. Fascinating means attractive, and a method of data analysis that automates analytical model building. Since it is primarily focused on helping businesses to enhance overall functioning, productivity and decision making process, it also opens vast career opportunities. There are various machine learning roles that provide an aspirant a learning edge and are professionally rewarding. Analytics Insight listed top machine learning salaries in India in February 2021. Machine learning engineer. These machine learning engineers are typically responsible for designing and developing machine learning and deep learning systems. They run machine learning tests and experiments and implement appropriate machine learning algorithms. They need to have proven experience as a machine learning engineer or similar role. They must have an understanding of data structures, data modeling, and software architecture, knowledge of math, probability, statistics, and algorithms, and along with programming languages like Python, Java, and R. The average salary of a machine learning engineer in India is 7,66,053 rupees. That is the average salary for a machine learning engineer per annum. Salary range from 3,22,000 to 15 lakhs. The next one is algorithm engineer. Algorithm engineers create cost-effective, scalable systems and develop innovative algorithm solutions. They develop an algorithm system that records all operations and can be maintained by team. They manage the design, development and deployment of scalable, high volume and real-time system. An algorithm engineer should knowledge of algorithm applications, both theoretical and practical in software engineering. The average salary of an algorithm engineer is 7,31,159 rupees. That is the average salary. Salary range 1,20,000 to 34 lakhs 14,000. And the next one is data engineer. A data engineer builds and maintains an organization's entire data ecosystem, including everything from data sources and databases to data storage solutions. Their primary responsibility is to design and engineer a reliable infrastructure for transforming data into such formats as can be used by data scientists. Data engineers integrate, consolidate and cleanse data collected from multiple sources. They prepare raw data for manipulation and predictive, prescriptive modeling by data scientists. The average salary of a data engineer is 7 lakh rupees. And the next one is statistician. Statisticians are professionals who apply statistical methods and models to real world problems. They glean, assess and interpret data to help in many business decision making processes. Statisticians have a very different approach to building and testing models as compared to data scientists. The analytical prowess of statisticians help organizations in understanding quantitative data and predicting potential trends. The average salary of a statistician is 5,26,829 rupees. Salary range is 3,25,000 to 23,91,000. And the next one is a data analyst. Data analysts are primarily responsible for designing and maintaining data systems and databases. This includes fixing coding errors and other data related problems. They mine data and primary and secondary sources and then recognizing given data in a format that can be easily read by both humans and machines. They use statistical tools to interpret data sets, focusing on and exploring new trends and patterns that would be valuable for diagnostic and predictive analytics efforts. The average salary of a data scientist is 5,23,921. Salary range is 2,74,000 to 10 lakhs. The next one is computer vision engineer. Computer vision engineers are professionals who have a significant amount of experience with a variety of systems such as image recognition, machine learning and segmentation. They often apply computer vision research that is based on a large sum of data to solve real world problems. They work closely with other departments to facilitate the implementation of novel embedded architectures. A computer vision engineer should have skills working with linear algebra math libraries and other similar computer vision libraries, as well as software skills. The average computer vision engineer salary is 4,80,000. Salary range is 1,51,000 to 9,08,000. I hope this video is very informative. You can like my video, share my video among your friends, and you can subscribe my channel. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Wish you all the success. May God bless you. See you in the next video.